Infinitive is used to indicate the purpose. It's translated as to plus verb, to plus verb. Infinitive, the endings are ein, sai. Ein, sai. Present tense infinitive is ein, and aorist tense infinitive is sai. Participles, first we have to understand the endings, memorize the endings, and then we can get into the details of them. Participles, present tense, as I said, the process sense is conveyed in the present tense, on and ontes, and aorist tense, sas and santes. In aorist, the sense conveyed is a completed thing. It is used to convey sequential action, aorist. So a first action happens and the second action follows it, and the following action is usually an indicative verb. Is indicated by an indicative verb. So in the first part of a sentence, the participle would be used in the aorist case. And in the second part, an indicative verb would be used. It is to convey the sense of sequence. The first clause, which is a participle clause, would be translated with an after or when, after this particular event, or when this event happened, something like that. And then the second clause would follow. And this is just for us to begin understanding a little bit of participles, because participles are used in many different ways. So this is for the temporal participles. And in the present tense, we will be using words like while or as, and they convey the sense of simultaneous action. Like two actions are happening together. While this happened, the other thing also happened. So the first part of the sentence would be using that participle, and the second part of the sentence would be using an indicative verb. And the first and the second part together, they convey the sense of simultaneous action. Like while this thing was happening, the other thing happened. As this was happening, the other thing happened. Like that. Participles, remember the endings. On, ontes, present tense. Sas, santes, aorist tense. And these on and ontes are only for masculine, nominative, plural. Now participles have, or they carry the sense of a noun too. They are verbal nouns. So the on at the ending and the ontes ending will be masculine, nominative, singular, and masculine, nominative, plural, respectively. Sas and santes, these are masculine, nominative, singular, and plural, respectively, in the aorist tense. When a participle is used with a definite article, it acts like a noun. Hope is on, the one who believes, or the believer. The pistuon is masculine, nominative, singular, And this participle is derived from the word pisteuo, which means faith, or I believe, not faith. It's an action, it's a verb. I believe, I trust. And pisteuon is a masculine nominative singular present active participle. If it is pisteuontes, it would be masculine nominative plural present active participle.